Good morning, everyone. How are you? I think everyone fine. Good. Okay. Have you read the first lesson? Have you read the first lesson of environment? Yes. Good, everyone. Shall I ask question? If you read means you can able to say the answer. No. Yes. Okay. First, try to say the answer. Okay. So, which animal is called the sheep of the desert? If you read means you can know the answer from the first lesson. No. Yes, good. Camel is known as the camel is called sheep of the desert. Good, everyone. I think everyone reading. Good. Next one. Which place is called the queen of the hill station? Can anyone know? Yes, good. Yes. So Ooty is called the queen of the hill station. Good. Next one. Which place is called that princess of the hill station? Yes. Kodaikanal is called the princess of hill station. Good, everyone. I think everyone reading. Okay. So now we'll go to the second lesson. The topic of the lesson is my amazing body. The topic of the lesson is my amazing body. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the simple movements, about the joints, and what are the role of sense organs, what is known as posture, and what are the stages of growth. In this lesson we are going to see about this one. Okay. So see first one. See here they have given some movements. Okay. See here they are giving simple movements. See in the first picture that girl jumping and plucking that mango. No. So that here that movement is jump and pluck, first one. So in the second one hoop. So third one, in the third picture you can see pick them that bits of paper make the place untidy. No. So they are taking the picking that paper and put them in the bin. So here what is the movement here? Pick and put. Last one wave. Here that wave is the movement. Here we have reached home by dear. Here what is that here? Wave. WAVE. So what are the movements here mentioned? First one jump, pluck. Jump, pluck, hoop, pick, put. Last one wave. Okay. So next we are going to see what is known as joints. What is known as joints? Our bones help us stand up straight and give us shape. Okay. So our bones help us stand up straight and give us shape. First one. Next point. Without bone it is possible to stand? No, it is not possible to. So without bones we would be flappy. We would be not able to stand. This means we are not able to stand. So the place where two or more bones meet is called joint. Okay. So now we are seeing about the what are the joints. What are the joints? See this picture. The joints given. No. So first one shoulder. Next one elbow. Third one wrist. Wrist watch on the place we are wearing. No. Fourth one knee. Last one ankle. So these are the joints in our body. So these are some activities what we have to do. So here you can circle the joints in the given picture. So next one role of the sense organs. What are the role of the sense organs? First one see smell. By using the nose we can smell it. No. Next one by using the eye we can see any picture, any color. Third one touch. So smooth, hard, soft. By using the ear we can hear the sound By using the taste, we can taste the food, which is salty, spicy, like that. So next one. So what are the role of sense organs and sense organs? Role of sense organs. What are the sense organs? Yes, good everyone. Eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. These 5 are the sense organs. So first, eyes is doing what? Sight, shape, size, color, distance and depth. Ears, hearing. We can hear the loud or soft sounds. Nose, by using the nose we can smell the pleasant or unpleasant smell. Fourth one, by using the skin we can touch the rough, smooth, soft, hard, fluffy and sticky. Tongue, by using tongue we can taste that food is sweet or sour or salty, spicy, bitter and astringent. So this is very important. So sense organs, what are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. So we have learned about what are the role of sense organs. Next, what is known as posture? Now we are going to see about posture. Posture means the position of our body. The position of our body in doing various actions is called posture. There is a correct way and an incorrect way of doing various action. Daily we are doing various action now. Sitting, standing, jumping, running, like that we are doing so many actions daily. So the position of our body in doing various action is called posture. See here. So which one is correct? You have to put the tick. That is known as what? The position of our body in doing various action is called posture. So next, last one, the stages of growth. There are 3 things which make us different from other animals in the world. Okay, so we have an upright posture. Upright posture, we can communicate using speech, we can think. So these are the 3 things which make us different from other animals. Okay, we have an upright posture, we can communicate using speech, we can think. These are the things which make us different from other animals. Last one, we can see that what are the indoor games like Dayam, Pallanguli, hopscotch and top. These are the example for indoor games. Example for indoor games, Pallanguli and Dayam. Example for outdoor games is hopscotch and top are the example for outdoor games. So in this lesson we studied about the sense, or what are the sense organs and what are the role of sense organs and what is mean by posture. Okay, that one only we learned from this lesson. Okay, thank you everyone. Read and study. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.